Climate change is affecting our planet with rising temperatures, droughts, bigger storms, and pollution. Most countries are trying to address this issue by reducing fossil fuel usage and reducing emissions. However, there is one country, the New Zealand, that has proposed a tax on the burps of cows and sheep to control climate change. Cows are ruminants. Their main food component is a type of carbohydrate called cellulose in the plants and dried hay. Cows digest this cellulose with the help of bacteria in their stomach. When they first eat their food, they mostly gulp it down without chewing. Later, they regurgitate the stomach contents that are mixed with the bacteria to break down the cellulose. The process is called chewing the cud. During this process, cows burp a lot because methane is produced by the bacteria that's breaking down the cellulose. Methane causes 80 times more warming than carbon dioxide. New Zealand has 5 million people, 10 million cattle, and 20 million sheep. The government is committed to reaching zero net emissions by the year 2050. The plan is to reduce the farm animals emissions 10% by 2030 and 47% by 2050. The tax money is going to be invested in new technologies to reduce methane emissions. Even the new technology masks for cows to capture methane are on the table. The government and farmers see this as a positive change for their meat and produce exporter image. The consumers in the world are looking for food producers that are more environmentally conscientious.